On the way to Weymouth now. We had a good stay at Lulworth Boatyard near St Germans in Cornwall, near Lou, and it was beautiful. Best Airbnb I've stayed in yet. Stayed there for 3 nights. You can even sit out by the river. We never got to sit out by the river because the river, the sea tide was always in, and we were out, so we couldn't see it. But apparently the river comes in, which I do believe, because it was there this morning a little bit. Anyway, I'm waffling. Right, we're going on to Weymouth now. I'm going to Jurassic Coast. The Baldy vlogger. Bye bye. Arrived at Weymouth, and here is Weymouth Beach for you to have a look at. Very fine sand. Look at this. It's too late for the beach now, but I've been driving all day. Jurassic Coast. I'm going to go and visit some of that tomorrow. The Jurassic Coast. See what I can find. But you won't know it's tomorrow because it'll be on the same video. Well, you do, because I've just told you now. I'm waffling again. I'm trying to get through to the charge place. I'm trying to charge my car, but I've been on hold for about half an hour. I've just decided to walk around. I've got the number of the charger. Hopefully it'll start it for me, even though I'm not at the car. The only place where there's cloud, where there's fog, cloud, is where we were. Typical. So if we walked down, it'd been alright. It's a long walk. Welcome to Weymouth. From him. Rock fishing meant to be good. I think so. We'll cross over here. I know, you pay overpriced for having it on the... I'm getting a chippy takeaway, fish and chips from the boat. White sugar, that's it. There you go. Thanks. Sunset sessions. What?
Unfortunately, we've only got 1 fish left, so is there anything else that you guys would like?
I know. Should we just have half a fish each? Do you want a full fish? I don't mind having half. I'm not even hungry. It's fine. Well, that's fine. We just have...
Well, do you want me to refund you for the other one?
Oh well, yeah. Good idea. I forgot about that.
Do you want the chips as well?
Nah, it's alright.
Nah, you sure?
Yeah. I wasn't even hungry, I was just eating because she was eating. It's fine. Do you want my card again? Oh, you just give me cash?
Yeah,
that's fine. Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, alright.
Thank you.
Sorry about that.
Nah, it's fine. Crab sandwich is cheaper here than in Devon. I'm at Lulworth Bay now, near Weymouth. There's a cave, Lulworth Cave somewhere. I'm going to go right in front of sorry. Beautiful again. We have some lovely places in Britain. A bit cold, foggy, but lovely.